Greetings. This video is going to show you how to sign up for workshops for the 2018 More Learning Conference, which takes place August 15th through 17th, 2018 at Union Pines High School. Alright, so to get signed up for workshops that you're interested in, first you got to go to the website, which is www.ncmcs.org/MLC2018. That will take you to the official More Learning Conference website where you have the sessions you can choose from. Each of the sessions is broken down by day. So just click on the day that you're interested in and scroll down and see the different offerings that are available both in the morning, the afternoon, and all day sessions here at the bottom. As you're looking through these, make sure you jot a note as to which ones you are most interested in and the ones you want to register for. For example, if I want to register for this one, which is a Choose Your Own Adventure for DLC credits, I'll keep that in mind when I go to register. Alright, now that I've looked through and I found some sessions that I'd like to sign up for, you're going to go to Timekeeper, and the way to go to Timekeeper is up to you. You can go through the Moore County Schools webpage, or if you've got it directly linked, you can go directly there. The link to Timekeeper is timekeeper.ncmcs.org. Once you're a Timekeeper, you're going to log in with your regular credentials, and once you get logged in, you will see a link on the left-hand side called Workshop Registration. In here, when you click on it, you'll see all the different offerings, and if you scroll down, you'll see all of these MLC 18. These are all workshops that match the ones on the website. You can scroll through and find the one you're looking for there, or if you remember the name, you can hit Control on your keyboard and F, which pops up a window, and then you can start typing in some of the title of what you're looking for, and it'll take you right there. So once you've found the workshop that you want to register for, you just simply click on the register on the workshop, and then scroll all the way down and click on the register button. Hit yes, and you are registered and good to go. Now when I come back here in Timekeeper, if I want to see what I'm registered for, I just click on this button. It'll show me all the different things I've signed up for. Alright, that's how easy it is. That's all you have to do to get signed up for your workshops and More Learning Conference. And make sure you ask your diff if you need assistance with this process.